Well, that's water.
Oh, look at that.
I was hoping I could deal with this engine while it was still in the car, but after everything I found, I made a decision. After finding coolant in the oil and everything we saw on the head, like the discoloration on the gasket, the blown on this side here, you see it's broken. And after running for a long time, doing lots of pulls with the hose from the fuel pump with a hole in it, I am sure that there might have some damage in the piston rings as well. And I don't want to put everything back together, hoping the bottom is fine. Yep, that definitely shouldn't be there.
Oh, look at that. There was quite a bit of water.
At this point, I basically disconnected everything holding the engine to the car. Now we're down to the transmission mount, engine mount, which is already out. And hopefully this is coming out now. There's one thing that I haven't beaten yet. That stupid harmonic balancer. And for those that want to say I didn't use the proper tool, I bent the proper tool. And not one, I bent two. Look at that one. We have officially passed the point of trying to save that one. So I'm playing with the engine mounts now, and the transmissions are disconnected completely. Technically, there's nothing else holding this engine to the car. And I said technically. Alright. And ooh, come on, baby, come on, come on, baby. Okay, I got you. Okay, it's out already. The head is already out. YouTube. I'm live on TikTok. I'm on YouTube, but it's not live. All right. I'm gonna get that. It goes in here. Okay, this is gonna hit here now. There you go. Okay. All right, the limit is this guy. Now I'm gonna pull it out as much as I can. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Okay. It's a little better. A little more. I mean, worst that's gonna happen. Just gonna screw some stuff that I'll need to fix later. Why is that so hard? Bro, let's do it. Okay. 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 This is going good. Going good. We are playing Tetris here in real life. Okay. I'm gonna be very careful, always professional. No, not like that. All right. Nice. Dude, it worked. Okay. Now we got the tire here. And we're going to start lowering this big thing. Yes! Yeah, boy! Nice! Nice and crooked. I don't know if I'm gonna make it sideways now, but I think I do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Boom. And there it is. After everything this engine put me through, it's finally out. And now that this is out, there's nowhere else the problem. Now that the engine is out, there's nowhere else that the problem can hide. Next, I'm getting the harmonic balancer off this engine one way or another. I'm gonna open the bottom end and find exactly what happened to this engine. I am going to remove the top part, the pistons, and I'm gonna check the rings. I'm gonna buy new rings. So stay tuned. There's a lot to come on this engine, and I think when we come back with this and the new ECU, this car is gonna be a bullet. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, love, bye, ciao. And